Hi, I'm Nabila Farshori and I'm here at hashtag 968 restaurant located in Alquare, Muscat. Let's quickly get inside and check out the taste of India. Ambience of the restaurant is excellent, very spacious, and as you can see, I've already come to the Pani Puri counter.
I'm Rizwan Chaudhary. I'm from India, in the state of Maharashtra, city Mumbai. I've been in Oman since 2015. Earlier, we opened a restaurant named Jason, which was quite famous with the gastronomy and the help of very good chef, Mr. Ajay Chopra.
Yes.
That run till 2019. After that, we bought up this plate. We thought of doing something with the Indian food, Indian street food side, basically like Delhi and Bombay, where it's very famous for like pani puri, all the chaats. Bombay is famous for the vada pav
Right.
and the Chinese. So we was thinking of that, but at Justin we cannot do that because Justin is an upscale restaurant where we cannot do. So we thought of this place. At that time this place was about to close.
Right.
We asked them and we got debate from the government, and we opened a restaurant where we are like all cuisine in one brand, in one shed, basically
Yeah.
in short.
Yeah.
Where you ask for him like vegetarian or non-vegetarian or Chinese or vada pav, like
And all cuisines from
all
India.
cuisine, from the street till your pastas and your Thai curries
That's
and
good.
everything in khause is again a delicacy of some places.
Yes.
Even the momos. Here in Oman, when we thought of putting a momo, everybody was doing a fried momo, and we was like, momo is not supposed to be fried; it's supposed to be steamed.
Right.
So it was a challenge. So we just thought, why don't we take it? And every day, like 2019, it was not that what people was price oriented. People are there to eat, but they would need a nice food. So we just thought
Right.
we'll start with the momo, steamer. Let's take a risk. Let's see what happens. And touch wood, that time when we opened, we didn't dream about it that it will go at such a nice scale.
Right.
We tried an option of three, like prawn, chicken, and the veg. But later on, when people started taking it, they wanted more, and we said no, we cannot increase the different flavors, because if we keep it smaller, then it's much better. We'll be very justified with these three flavors. If we increase more just to please more customers,
Right.
then we are not going to justify our own
Correct,
flavor.
correct.
So we stick, and touch wood till now, we are very good with the momos.
That's nice.
Our most selling in the momos is like chicken momos is the most selling. Prawn, obviously, very few people, not all non-veg people prefer a prawn. I myself, I'm allergic to seafoods,
Okay.
so I don't.
Right.
But
So you
our
have more
selling-
options other than the seafood. Yeah.
Yes. So chicken and veg,
That's
which is
good.
more selling item. Then again the chaat, where in Mumbai you will see chaat like in Chowpatty, or in Delhi you will see on the streets. In this country it's not available. So we just thought
Right.
putting inside our restaurant.
Yeah.
Which-
The live
Yeah,
Pani Puri
live
counter and the Bhel Puri
where
is
Pani Puri you
amazing.
won't able to very easily available. You
Right.
can go to the mall. It's not
It's all
available.
about the experience of eating Pani
So
Puri.
you thought,
You've
why
got
don't
that.
we give people a wow experience?
Right.
By giving in a restaurant, you can stand in the restaurant and eat a pani puri. Like they should feel like
Excellent.
they are in Bombay.
With a
or
great ambience as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice.
We are very famous for the ambience again. We have a nice locality. If you come in the night time, you will see like in this area, it's more focused. You come from all the two.
Exactly, it does. It's so visible from all
Yes,
sides. Nice.
So touch what till now we are doing, but yes, last pandemic 1.5 year has our industry affected a lot.
Right.
Even we
Yeah.
have affected a lot.
How did you cope up during pandemic? How was
To
it
be
for
very
you?
honest with you, my owners, my staff, they are very nice. My owners helped out my staff, said, okay, fine, we'll go for a
Excellent.
leave, and then when everything come out, we'll come back.
Excellent.
So we reduced about 50% of the staff. They went back to India. Now they're coming slowly. Every month we are calling 2 people
Right.
back to the restaurant.
That's
So
excellent.
it's helping. Even my owners, they are very helpful. They took a hit. To be honestly, if I would be in their place, I would have not taken that hit. But they took a hit for 1.5 year, where everybody is like struggling,
Yeah.
my owners helped a lot.
There have been
bought-
cut-offs and there have been so many
We only,
employees going back.
Yeah, cost cutting they did help.
Yeah.
Everything. And now, mashallah, from like since March,
Yes.
the business is going up, and I hope, inshallah, this thing will come.
Inshallah, inshallah. What is that one dish that you love the most at hashtag 968?
To be very honest,
Yes.
I'm from Bombay and I like my vada pav.
Vada pav, really?
My vada pav. Till when my restaurant, whoever he said vada pav has never said anything bad about my vada pav.
Oh, that's good.
They like, because they said you won't get. Why? Because many restaurants here they do vada pav. What they
Okay.
do is they fry the vada pav and then they keep it and then they do on the griller.
Uh-huh.
What we do is on order. We get the order. I mean, we make the patty of the vada and we fry it
Right.
with the butter.
Right.
So it's fresh. Everything is fresh in that.
Right.
And again, there is a flavor of the onion you get it, and the green chutney.
Yes, the kanda one.
Yes, yes.
Correct.
And when you eat this with the green chilies,
Awesome.
it's awesome.
I think we should try that.
I would suggest. Normally, I suggest people like dabeli
Yes.
or vada. Vada pav is my favorite. That's the reason I'm very
Yes.
biased to vada pav. I'm
Okay.
from a city where
Right.
vada pav you go to any street you will get.
Right.
For lunch, for a breakfast, there are like most of the people for the breakfast they eat vada pav.
Yeah, of course, I
And
know that. Yes, yes.
A is spelling, B is tasty, 3 is economically.
Exactly, exactly.
So is how it's in our blood that eat vada pav and it's okay.
Absolutely. So the buffet system right now, I'm seeing it's only on weekends.
Honestly speaking, yes. The reason
Yeah.
why people get bored, like what should do on a weekend when
Right.
with the family. So it's very hassle. Like somebody go to the restaurant, then they look for a menu, then they identify. So what we did it, we compressed the menu, so people don't have to struggle for it. They
Right.
just walk to the restaurant, pick up their plate, and feel like if they're vegetarian, veg, they're non-veg, non-veg.
Excellent, excellent.
So like
what are the
tried-
prices of the buffet?
Right now we are doing a 4 years plus taxes, which will come
Okay.
around 4.2 plus per person.
With how many items in the menu?
It has 10 items, which
Okay.
includes of soup for starters, 4 starters, 2 veg
Okay.
to non-veg, then again two veg to non-veg main courses, a rice or a pasta. Sometimes
Right.
we change the rice to the biryani
Right.
and 2 desserts that we do,
Excellent,
included with the
excellent.
2 salads, 3 salads, and a live chart basically. This is my A most selling item. B, it's too much of hard work just to make a momo.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. The reason why, after making the stuffing, you have to give a shape, and it's not possible for everyone. Even for me, I tried myself,
Right.
but it didn't help me out to do
So,
a proper shape.
what is very special about the momos? Can you just tell me one thing that the stuffing?
It's good. A, B is healthy because it's steamed.
Okay, yes.
Everything is steamed is very healthy in that.
Yeah.
So taste wise also is very nice. It is homemade chutney. There's one chutney again is homemade.
Yeah,
My-
people are very
my-
particular about the momo chutney.
Chutney. My
Yes.
chefs are very good in that. The
Right.
reason why even the guy who we have hired, he's from the street of Bombay,
Okay.
where he had learned the Bombay style. What people has a taste
Mm-hmm.
on Bombay, because in Bombay people want their food spicy and chatpada.
Yes. Right.
He has taken that taste from there and he has done in the chutney,
Correct.
and the rest all is helped with the momos.
Excellent.
When we
excellent.
opened, we didn't thought of it will go at such a scale. In a day, we sell all 3 momos approximately like 27 or between 22 to 27 in a day. And on the weekend, we do it for 48 to 52 portions
Wow.
selling. But hard work, it's too much of hard work. It requires at least 3 people, 4 days, 4 hours in a day to make momos. And imagine for 8 momos in a portion, like if you're selling a 10 portion, becomes 80.
Wow.
If you're selling 40, it
Right.
becomes 320 pieces.
Right.
And for 3 people, it's a very difficult job.
Right. Excellent.
Too much of hard work, and such what my staff as of now is very nice, and they are very helpful
Alhamdulillah,
in
that's
this
great.
scenario also.
That's great.
And
That's
I
great.
want them to be happy. Things should go well. Let's hope.
Hope so,
Inshallah.
hopefully, and it will go great. One thing you want to say to the viewers of the Desert Stories, something about the hashtag 968, and something that you want all the customers to come. Why should everyone come to hashtag 968? Just a tagline that you want to tell everyone.
Very difficult thing to answer for me. The reason why, because you won't get all the cuisine in one banner, as I said earlier.
Yes,
Like
yes.
from street food till your table food, which is like a khause or a chicken tikka masala or
Right.
a butter chicken or a chicken biryani, you won't get everywhere.
Right.
Where all like three cuisine like Conti, Italian and Chinese all mixed.
Correct.
You won't get any. I don't know. As of my experience, I haven't seen a restaurant which has all this multi-cuisine food in there. Which again, Dutch food, which is again is taste in a taste-wise good. Even the quality of the food, we haven't compromised since 2019.
Excellent.
We haven't compromised. Might be in one of the bad ways sometime it happened, but as of now, there is no complaint about it.
Perfection.
We have taken care of it.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, Mr. Rizwan, for your time. Thank you so much for having us as well, and hope you have a great year ahead.
Sure.
And all the best to hashtag 968. Thank you so much.
Thank you.